At just 0.15 millimeters long, Kikikihuna is the smallest flying insect on record. A fairy fly so tiny it's smaller than many single-celled organisms. Found in tropical and subtropical regions, this wasp-like insect belongs to a group of minute parasitoids that lay their eggs inside the eggs of other insects. Its wings, fringed like feathers, allow it to maneuver through the tiniest air currents to reach its hosts. Though it might seem impossibly small, Kikikihuna packs in everything it needs to live, hunt, and reproduce in its microscopic body. Researchers were amazed to discover such an extreme example of miniaturization, as flying at such a small scale pushes the boundaries of physics and biology. Studying Kikikihuna gives scientists insights into how insects adapt their structures and behaviors to survive at the edge of what's physically possible. Even in the invisible corners of nature, evolution finds astonishing ways to thrive.